Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to toggle touchpad on HP Compaq 17. So, first go into the search, type in touchpad settings, open and click to disable. As you can see, it is not working now. To enable it, let's say you don't have a mouse. If you do, then it is just the same but enable, not disable. If you don't have a mouse, on your keyboard, left bottom corner, click Windows button, then type in touchpad and click enter. Now click enter once again, click tab and tab to go into the reset and enter. And now the touchpad is working. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.